people. So this is my little Theo, and just now I saw him do a binky. Binky is when he's discovered his own little space to be in, and that girl is already sitting behind this, as in this lady, yeah, Tara. Come Taru. They have their own little space, and yeah, I've just discovered that this is a place to hang out, yeah. Because they're so happy. Look at them. He was doing a binky just now. Binku, binku, run. That's a binky. And yeah, I need to I've not yet had my first meal of the day. It's 1:30, and basically I'm on this whole intermittent fasting thing. But yeah, that is that lady there, and it is just so fascinating to watch them. Hello hero, hello heroine, hello Tada, Tada, Tada. How are you, Tada? Hello Theo. They get jealous, you know, if I show. And I realize 2 is a good number to have. They have each other as company. I have company. I'm able to give them enough time. I used to have 3 rabbits, but then it was getting overwhelming. So 2 is good. 1 boy, 1 girl. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.